Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, heated seats, backup camera, traction control, leather trim seats, stability control, XM satellite radio, cruise control, fog lights, trip odometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.